Hi guys, I want to give you a quick update on the topic of should you hodl or hold or sell crypto. So when it comes to certain coins, take Bitcoin or any altcoin, you always see the question arising, should you hold long term or should you sell it, should you trade it short term? And sometimes it becomes a discussion. But I want to consider that one does not exclude the other. You know, there can be a mixed variation about how to deal with your portfolio. So when you are trading certain coins, you can decide for a certain amount, you hold the coin, you hold the crypto for a fixed amount that you have selected, and that will be your long-term investment. But on the same time, you can look at the price and at the fluctuations, and you can also buy the same coin when it's very cheap and then sell it again when it's on a certain higher level. And this can be done totally independent from your long-term holdings. You can make a distinction between what crypto coins do you want to keep long-term for a certain amount, and the other side is what amount do you want to invest short-term to make profit on the fluctuations, on the growth of the price. Because once you get into the crypto sometime, you start to recognize some patterns that you can follow, and you know when a coin is cheap. Even if you're already holding this coin long term, you know when a certain coin is cheap, and you can use a certain amount of money for short-term investments. So you buy it cheap and you sell it at a certain higher price, which you know will come in short term probably. This way you keep a separate amount of money that you can use for short term investing, trying to make profit out of the fluctuations, and at the same time you are holding those high potential cryptos. So you can do both actually in this way. You have the high potential cryptos for long term, and you have another, let's say, pocket of money which you're using for day trading or short term trading, where you can invest in the same crypto as you are already holding, but you can sell it at the same time very quickly, the same day or the next day, without affecting your long-term portfolio. So that's what I do. I do it with Ripple, for instance. I have long-term Ripple, and then I can also look at the price. And for the short term, I can look at the price and think like, okay, it's about 20 cents now. I think in short term it can go back to 25 cents. It means that I might invest in it for short term also, and then sell it at 25 cents. And look how other cryptos are doing and do the same thing with the others. So I get my money out of that Ripple for the short term and invest it in something else to make the money grow. So that's what I wanted to talk about with you, and hope you find this video useful, and good luck on crypto trading.